I don't know why or what. You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal, girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So I'm back home. I'm no longer babysitting right now. I'm gonna be back babysitting next week, but I'm actually gonna be babysitting my brother next week because I was babysitting my cousin. But yeah, it's just I'm a babysitter. I'm a mom. Basically, I'm a mom for the month, and I have 2 kids. I'm actually using my small tripod, which I feel like it's so freaking cute. But yeah, I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to the mall. So this is what I'm wearing. Something like, you know, I'm just going to the mall. I thought this was cute and super comfortable. I haven't worn these sweatpants in a while. These super bright Adidas. My lip gloss came off because I just made myself a grilled cheese. I literally make the best grilled cheese ever. Like, it's so crunchy on the outside and so melted on the inside. That's the perfect grilled cheese. The heck was I gonna say? My mom is the worst. I gotta sit with the freaking door open because waiting for her is like waiting for me. If the party starts at 3, you gotta tell her the party starts at 1. And I'm not playing. Just so she could show up at like 3 or 4 if the party starts at 1. No offense, Mom, you watch us, but lately you've really been taking forever to watch my videos, so you probably won't even see this. Either way, came out like her. I wish, that's my goal that I'm setting. Oh, she's here. It freaking smells like hot dogs in here or something. I need tops.
Top?
Tops.
Oh.
That's what I don't have, top.
Yeah, but you need to get rid of a lot.
You would think my favorite color is orange, but it's not. I want to try this on.
She learned that from her mom. I was like, just try them over the pants. What do you think?
This is cute.
Have pieces. Old school. Is that mentally gone?
Yeah. The way you said it, mentally gone.
What do you want? I like it. I'm gonna try it.
Did I get you a little bit?
Almost.
Oh. I felt like that was pretty good. I was in PacSun, but I really didn't like anything that they had. I feel like everything they had in there, they had at Urban Outfitters, but a little bit more cornier.
More corny,
Yeah. Look at this big ass bag for 3 items. That couch is so cute. I like the couch. Ooh, this phone was about to slip out of my hand. They have cute things in here, huh? Oh, they have another furniture store right over there too. Look at that chandelier. Chandelier. We're going to the beauty supply store now. People be staring at me and I just can't deal. Oh my god, I should buy a wig too. Huh? I should buy a wig. I want to dye my hair so bad. I'm fiending to dye my hair. What's that color that I like? This is platinum. That color's pretty. I literally want to buy a wig. I really do. I don't know. That blonde wig is kind of cute. So is this one. I wonder how much this one is. I got the baby hairs. I'm dead. I miss being blonde, you guys. I really, really miss being blonde. I want to try this on. Hold on. Flatter, but this one is super laid though.
Yeah, glow comes like that.
I kind of like myself with purple hair. Am I crazy?
How was that purple one, Kiel? All the way in the back.
You guys. I bought the wig.
It's bad, right? What I did?
What?
It's bad, the car.
Oh,
Maybe the scrapes were there, but the tire, I don't know.
I bought it.
I don't think I should have took you here.
I know. Now, I bought the wig.
I think it looked cute. I think. I just want to see when and where you're going to wear that.
Oh, my song.
I gotta chill, I got my grill. Bitch, I give some fucks about how you feel.
This light is literally so bright, but I just got home right now. I cannot wait to try. I cannot talk. And I have something here. My lips kind of look big today because of the lip liner, which I wish my mom would have told me I was walking around with my freaking lip liner like this. My mom didn't even tell me that all my lipstick came off and all I have is lip liner. Just letting me walk around looking crazy. I have like this bright freaking lip liner on. Anyways, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to try the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker eye palette. I'm very, very excited about that. I like swatched a couple of the eyeshadows and they looked so bomb. I'm actually gonna start doing Halloween makeup looks, so whatever you guys want to see me do, comment below or DM me like a picture or anything like that. I'm excited. I love Halloween. I freaking love doing Halloween makeup looks. It's like my favorite time of the year. I'm also gonna try on again the clothes that I got. I low-key cannot even believe that I bought a wig right now. Like, who does that? Like, I don't even know what possessed me to buy a wig. I think it's also one because I miss having blonde hair and I was going in for a blonde wig, and then I was like, let me just try this one, and it's a freaking purple wig. I'm not even a fan of purple, and I just like the way that it looked on me. And plus it'll be really good for like the Halloween looks. I'm gonna figure out what looks I could do with purple hair, because I feel like when you do Halloween looks, the hair that you have makes everything just even stand out even more and like more dramatic. so I'm excited about that. That's it for this video though. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and please, can't stress this enough, make sure that your post notifications are turned on so you guys are notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.